sewage is being let out directly into River Sar and nobody has been taking action. Locals allege that the water is being polluted by some companies. Drishti lifeguards decide to continue strike, rejecting Chief Minister's offer of absorption into Human Resource Department. Say they want to continue as lifeguards with the Tourism Department. Bharat Bandh has tepid response in state, but rallies held. Call that both center, state health department should take care of the people with disabilities. Authorities should focus on two key goals on this call given on Disability Day. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Tuesday was the Bharat Bandh called all over the country. In Goa too there were demonstrations. However, there was not much impact on the state even though the Bandh was supported by all opposition parties and workers' unions.
The central government should withdraw the farm bills. They also should give written assurance as demanded by the farmers who are agitating for the past so many days. Watch to what happened in Goa.
शेतकाराचे जे अत्याचार जातात ते फक्त गोंयांत जायना, भारतभर जाता हे आमचे दोळ्या मुखार आमकां दिश्टी पडटा. दिल्ली आमचे शेतकार भाव लाखांनी संख्येन तळमळटात. कायदे जे शेतकारांचे विरुद्ध आमचे भारताचे विरुद्ध जे कायदे काडल्यात ते बदलपाक लागून तांचे सपोर्टान आमी सगळे हांगा मडगांवां उपस्थित आसात तेच न्हू आनी हजारांनी लोक आमचे बरोबर तांचे सपोर्टान आसात आनी आमी सगळे तेंचे बरोबर सरकारा कडेन मागतात की हे एंटी फार्मर जे कायदे काडल्यात हे चारय कायदे रद्द करचे. फार्मर म्हळ्यार फक्त शेतकार न्हू, फार्मरा भितर आमचे फिशरमॅन, आमचे जे गोरवां घेवन भोंवतात, हर्ट्समॅन, आमचे ट्रायबल सगळे अंडर फार्मर्स पॉलिसी सगळ्यांक फार्मर म्हणटात. हेंकां सगळ्यांक सरकारान सांबाळपाक जाय आनी सगळ्यांत उत्तम उच्च दर्जो सोसायटीन हांकां दिवपाक जाय ही गरज आसा. आनी आमचे गोंयांत शेतकारांक सांबाळपाक जाय जाल्यार हे सगळे डिस्ट्रक्टीव जे प्रोजेक्ट आसात ते सगळे बंद करूंक जाय. एंटी पीपल हे पॉलिसीज आनी कायदे आसात हे आमी आनी रावपाक दिवपाचे ना, हे आमी भायर मारतलेच लोक मेळून आनी लोकां फावरात एक खरी लोकशाही आमी स्थापन करतले गोंयांत. हे आमी लोकांचे हे फार्मराचे आदारान आमी ही शपथ घेतात सगळे लोक मेळून आनी हे आमी मुखार व्हरतले आनी करून घेतले. आमची लोकशाही ग्रासरूट डेमोक्रेसी पंचायतीचेर बेस आमी ही बांदून घेतले.
आयच्या ह्या सभेक सगळे संघटना पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हांगा एकठांय जाल्ले आसा. जे मोदी सरकारान बीजेपी सरकारान जे 3 कायदे शेतकऱ्याच्या विरोधान हाडल्या आणि आज सबंद भारत या कायद्याच्या विरोधान आज एकठांय जाल्लो आसा.
किसान मजदूर एकता, किसान मजदूर एकता, किसान मजदूर एकता.
आमचे सध्या भारतातले एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर म्हणजे आम्ही पळयला की आत्महत्येचे प्रमाण वाढला शेतकऱ्यांचे आणि हे कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर आता कॉर्पोरेट वल्चर्स त्या एग्रीकल्चराचेर आपलो ताबो मेळोवपाक रावल्या आणि सरकार पूर्णपणे त्यांचे खातीर काम करता. हे आम्ही जेन्ना शेतकरी कायद्यांक विरोध करता तेन्ना पहिली गजाल म्हणजे पहिली जशें उलयल्या की अत्यंत अनडेमोक्रेटीक पद्धतीन हे कायदे पास केल्या आणि सरकाराक त्याची सवय लागल्या म्हणजे डेस्पोटीक गव्हर्नमेंट जाल्ले आसा. आणि आमकां याद करून दिवंक जाय सगळ्यांक की गोंयांत सध्या आमच्या माथ्यार जे गव्हर्नमेंट बसला ते सुद्धा अत्यंत अनडेमोक्रेटीक पद्धतीन आयिल्ले आसा. ते लोकांचे गव्हर्नमेंट न्हय आणि त्यांनी 4 वर्सांत अशी परिस्थिती केल्या की त्यांचे समर्थक आमदारूच सांगतात की ह्या चीफ मिनिस्टराक अख्खे गोया प्रॉपर्टी सावंत म्हणून वळखता. तर ते एक पयलींचे अमिताभ बच्चनाचे पद आसा, आपका तो लगता है बस यही सपना, राम राम जपना पराया माल अपना. हे आता आमी समजून घेतलेले आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता जशें 60वें वर्स आमच्या लिबरेशनाचे सुरू जातले, गोंयभरान लोकांचे लढे सुरू जातले, आज त्याची एक सुरवात अशें आमी मानता आणि हे लढे म्हणजेच लोकशाहीचे खरे उत्सव. तर ते जे 60वें वर्स आसा आमच्या लिबरेशनाचे ते गोंयचे लोक रस्त्यार सरकारच्या विरोधान साजरे करतले असो म्हाका विश्वास दिसता. आणि एका 6 वर्सान हे जे गव्हर्नमेंट आसा इट विल बी थ्रोन इन द डस्टबीन ऑफ हिस्ट्री असो हांव विश्वास व्यक्त करता.
मजदूर एकता जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद किसान को जो टकराएगा मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा, किसान को जो टकराएगा मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा. ईश्वरी शेतकरी संघाचा विजय हो, गोवा कुळमणकार संघर्ष समितीचा विजय हो, गोवा संघर्ष समितीचा विजय हो, तारक खाजन असोसिएशनचा विजय हो. टकराएगा मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा, हमको जो टकराएगा.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 in Margao and Inshad Sheikh from Panaji.
Locals are up in arms over river water being polluted by some companies. The locals allege that the companies near the river Sar are releasing sewage in the river, which is causing a lot of problems for the locals. They want a quick solution to their problems.
On Tuesday, the locals from Margao raised their voice over the sewage being released in the river Sal. Look at these visuals. The river is completely polluted. The watercolor says it all. Speaking to Goa 365, a local, Sanjeev Desai, has urged the government and the concerned authorities to take action.
ती तरी परिस्थिती इतली गंभीर आसा की हांगा सराउंडिंग जे पळय लोक रावता तांचो हेल्थ इश्यू आसा सध्या. आनी सरकार प्रत्येक वर्साक सिवरेजी खातीर पयशांचे आमी पळयता की पेपराचेर येता बजेट एलोकेट करता, पयशे मोडटा आनी सिवरेज लायन कंटिन्युअस चालू आसा. फाटली 2-3 वर्सां हांव पळयता सिवरेज लायन नवी लायन घालप चालूच आसता. पूण हॉटेलांतल्यान जे मडगांवच्या बाजारांतल्यान जी सिवरेज येता ती कांय बंद जाली दिश्टी पडना. आनी म्हाका दिसता हेतून खंय तरी सिरियस प्रॉब्लेम आसा. आतां कोणा कित्याक लागून जायना तें म्हाका खबर ना. म्हाका दिसता हें जर सिवरेज लायन जर बंद जाली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता साहा रिवर म्हण ती एक आमच्यांनी ट्युरिस्ट स्पॉट म्हण डेवलप करपा जाता, जितूंतल्यान हांगा बोटींग सुरू करपा जाता, जितूंतल्यान लोक हांगा ट्युरिस्ट म्हण येतले साहा रिवरान. अशें म्हाका दिसता की हांगसान हें तुका केळशी पर्यंत गेलेडें आसा ही. सो ही डेवलप करपाक एक बरी संदी आसा. तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता हें जें मडगांवच्या बाजारांतल्यान पळय जें ड्रेनेजींतल्यान जें सगळें व्हांवून येता तें बंद जावपाची गरज आसा. आनी पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड जें आसा गोंयचें तेणें हेतून लक्ष घालून कितें खंय प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो पळोवपा जाय. सरकार सद्या म्हाका तरी दिसता तें पळयलें की फक्त तें क्रिएट करपा खातीर करता, पूण तेजो बाबा खरोच फायदो जायना की सिवरेज म्हणटी व्हांवत आसाच. सो म्हाका दिसता तेजें ऑडिट जावपा जाय. जें काम जालें आतां फाटले 5 वर्सां पयस सिवरेजचे जे पयशे मोडल्या तेजें ऑडिट जावपा जाय आनी जितूंतल्यान हें हांगा निवळसाण जातली. कित्याक हे आतां आमी म्हणटा आतां कोरोनाचो एक इशू पळयला आमी. सिमिलरली हे जे मलेरिया डेंग्यू हे सगळें हे घाणींतल्यानच तयार जाता. सो हेतूंतल्यान हे जाल्ले कारणान गव्हर्मेंटाक हॉस्पिटलाचेर खर्च येता. सो फाल्यां समज हे रोग कमी जाल्ले हॉस्पिटलाचो खर्च कमी जातलो.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 in Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Kadamba Transport Corporation will bring in buses with new technology in the state. But KTC should also think about the employees of KTC asked. The striking KTC employees also demanded that 7th pay commission be implemented and also that they should be regularized.
KTC employees accused the government and the KTC for not fulfilling their demands. They said that they will be holding a protest on these demands in future also too.
कदंबा महामंडळान 550 बदली ड्रायव्हर कंडक्टर आयज काम करता जाल्यार त्या 550 बदली ड्रायव्हर कंडक्टरांक नोकऱ्याची शाश्वत ना. 9, 10, 8, 7, 5 वर्सां काम केला. जास्तीत जास्त बदली ड्रायव्हर कंडक्टर 7 वर्सां वयर काम केल्लें आसा. तरी आसतना
ह्यो दळिद्र सरकार आणि ह्यो दळिद्र महामंडळाचे अधिकारी जे आसा, मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर वेनान्सियो फुर्तादो 240 दीस जर काम करता एका कंपनीन, त्या कामगाराक परमनंट करपाचो अधिकार आसा, जाल्यार हांगा 7 वर्सां काम करून कामगाराक अजूनही परमनंट कित्याक जायना म्हणून आमी हो प्रश्न सभे मजार दवरता, सरकारा फुड्यान दवरता. पूण सरकार न्हिदलेलो आहा. आमी 7th पे कमिशना प्रमाणे इक्वल पे फॉर इक्वल वर्क, समान काम समान वेतन या धोरणा अनुसार बदली ड्रायव्हर आणि कंडक्टराक कमीत कमी 25,500 रुपया मेळपाक जाय. तेका लागून आमी म्हणटा की या कामगारांक मोबदलो दियात, या बदली कामगारांक फुडार दियात, या मदली कामगारांक आपलो सर्विसीची संरक्षण दियात, ब्रेक दिवप बंद करात, परमनंट जातकच 2 वर्सां प्रोबेशनाचेर दवरता तेही बंद करप. 6 म्हयने प्रोबेशन खूब जाले. ट्रेनीज दवरप आनी कितें करप. आयज बदली ड्रायव्हर आणि कंडक्टराक कितला 18,000 मेळटा, 15,000 रुपया पगार मेळटा. 15,000 13,000 सुद्धा मेळना. अशा वेळार हे जी मोठी 10 लाखाची बस हे ड्रायव्हर आणि कंडक्टर हातीन घेऊन चलयता, जाल्यार त्या कंडक्टर आणि ड्रायव्हर स्किल्ड काम करता, कुशल काम करता, जाल्यार त्या कुशल कामाक फक्त 15,000 रुपया आणि 7th पे कमिशनाच्या अनुसार तांकां कमीत कमी आयज 30,000 वयर पगार मेळपाक जाय आसलेलो. जाल्यार आमी मागता 25,500 तरी जानेवारी 2016 सून तांकां दिवंक लागात. ह्यो वेनान्सियो फुर्तादो कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन प्रायवेटायज खासगीकरण करूंक सोदता. सुमार 150 इलेक्ट्रिक बस हाडूंक सोदता. वो हाडपाक तेणी खटपट केला या सरकाराक घेवन. जाल्यार सगळे ड्रायव्हर या इलेक्ट्रिक बसीचे कंडक्टर ते नवे घेवंक सोदता आनी ह्या बदली ड्रायव्हरांक उपाशी दवरूंक सोदता आनी पेजेक लावंक सोदता. इलेक्ट्रिक बस यू आर ब्रिंगिंग अ न्यू टेक्नॉलॉजी फॉर होम, ओके, फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द कम्युटर्स. प्रवासी लोकांक त्यांच्या सवलतीक तूं हाडटा जाल्यार फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट should go to Badli drivers and conductors and permanent workers in Kadamba who should be trained to operate the new Kadamba buses which are electrical. त्याचबरी कंडक्टर्स या कदंबा कॉर्पोरेशनान 100 वेकन्सी TCIs टिकेट कलर चेकर्स टिकेट चेकराचे 100 वेकन्सी ते अजूनही तो भरिना. आणि सगळे प्रश्न जे कदंबा कामगारांचे आसा त्या वेनान्सियो फुर्तादोन चेपून दवरला.
Shamchari for Goa 365 in Panachi.
Drishti lifeguards will continue their strike. On Tuesday, lifeguards said that they are not willing to listen to Chief Minister's proposal. They say they want to continue as lifeguards with the Tourism Department. Chief Minister had proposed that they be absorbed under Human Resources Department. Here's more.
Earlier, the Chief Minister had proposed to take these workers back to work under the Human Resources Department. But more than 250 striking lifeguards said that they are not willing to accept this proposal but demanded to take them back on the same post with regularizing them and with better salaries and benefits demanded.
Around 50 भुरगे काल हंगर स्ट्रायकाक स्टार्ट केल्ले आसा. आज हे नेक्स्ट लॉट आमचो आतां हे उठ्ठले आनी हे 50 जाण आज बसतले. अशें करून आमची चेन हंगर स्ट्रायक आमी स्टार्ट केल्ली आसा. काल आमी एक सीएमान एक स्टेटमेंट केला तो आमकां प्रेसांतल्यान कळ्ळो की सीएमान काल म्हटलें की ह्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक आपूण ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या अंडर आपूण तांकां एब्झॉर्ब करतलो. हेच्या पयलीं आमी सीएम सराक मेळिल्ले तेन्ना ताणें आमकां तेच ऑप्शन दिल्लें. पूण ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या अंडर एज अ मल्टीटास्किंग जॉब ते प्रोवायड सर्विसीस कसले करता एज अ सेक्युरिटी ऑर मल्टीटास्किंग जॉब. आतां दीस पीपल दे आर द ट्रेन आमचे लायफगार्ड आसा. लास्ट 10 years, more than 10 years, they serve for the Goa government अंडर द दृष्टी कंपनी. आतां आमचो कितें डिमांड आसा सरकाराक आमी डिमांड जो घातला बाबा ती दृष्टी कंपनी आमकां प्रायवेट कंपनी नाका बिकॉज थंय हायर एंड फायर पॉलिसी जाता. अदर रायट्स तांकां मेन सॅलरी तांकां टायमार मेळना सारकी मेळना हे सगळे प्रश्न आसा. वेन दीस सर्वीस इज परमनंट जाल्यार हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर हांकां कित्याक गव्हर्मेंट दवरता. डायरेक्ट सरकारान आपल्या अंडर घेवपाचें आनी तेंची सर्वीस प्रोटेक्शन करपाची. मे बी आयदर सेम तर म्हणटा एज अ लायफ गार्ड एज इट इज. आतां एज अ युनियन म्हणून म्हाजें एक लिस्ट आसा बाबा 250-260 कामगार म्हजे आसा. एज इट इज तेणें घेवचें. ह्युमन रिसोर्सान कशें आसा फाटल्या फाटी सीएमान सांगलें तेणें प्रोसिजर फॉलो करून तुमी ह्युमन रिसोर्सान या. अरे प्रोसिजर फॉलो करून ह्युमन रिसोर्सान कशें येतले भुरगे जे ओवर एज आसा जेंच्या कडेन एज्युकेशन ना. थोडे भुरगे आमचे कारवार आनी दोडे मार्गा वयले भुरगे आसा तेंच्या कडेन गोंयचे डॉमिसायल ना 15 वर्साचे जाल्यार ते कशे थंय हांगा हे जातले. सो आमचें म्हणणें कितें आसा एज इट इज तेंचे लायफ गार्ड म्हणून तेंची सर्वीस प्रोटेक्शन आमी मागता. लास्ट 10 years दे वर सर्वींग फॉर द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. सो आनी आमकां डायरेक्टली येवन आजून कोणूच आमकां एप्रोच जावंक ना. आमच्या कडेन एप्रोच जावचें व्यवस्थीत आमच्या बरोबर डिस्कशन करचें आमचो प्रश्न कितें आसा तो समजून घेवचो. नाल्यार कितें आसा हे आंदोलन आतां हे प्रखर आतां इल्लें जातलेंच आनी फायनली गव्हर्मेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टोटली. हे बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द तेंचे हेल्थाचे तेंच्या लायफा कडेन कितें जात जालें.
लायफ गार्डांक हांवें ऑलरेडी सांगलां की आमी HR कॉर्पोरेशनान तांकां एकोमोडेट करता म्हणून. ओके हांवें तांकां 2-3 फावटी उलोवपूय जालां. आतां एडवर्टायज जातली ते दीस बॅन आशिल्ले तांकां सगळ्या जाणांक ह्युमन रिसोर्स कॉर्पोरेशनान आमी एकोमोडेट करता.
Isha Check for Goa 365 in Panachi.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Both the central and the state health department should take care of the people with disabilities. The authorities should focus on two key goals on this. One, to mainstream people with disability, helping them to cope with the difficulties they face, and next by empowering and giving them special care to them. This is what came out of an interaction on International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Here are the details.
On Tuesday, Caritas Goa celebrated the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Speaking to media, Dr. Ira Almeida said that in the present world, we need to take care of every person with disabilities. They might meet their disabilities with people which are not visible by others, but we need to take care of every person we meet.
So as we celebrate the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, which was actually on the 3rd of December, I would like to share my deep conviction that health providers in India and Goa must focus on two key goals. One is mainstreaming people with disabilities to the extent possible, that is helping them to cope with pain, restricted mobility, psychological and personality issues, and social isolation and stigma. The second is empowering and enabling caregivers in the individual circle through training adapted to caregiver profiles. As public healthcare providers, we may not always be able to meet the full extent of the daily needs of individuals with disabilities, but we can train a second level of informal interventionists to do this. Disability may not always be obviously visible, like in the case of learning disabilities, ASDs, autism spectrum disorders, and ADHD. And if these conditions are undiagnosed, they can also cause immense suffering, especially in the early school years. We also witness all kinds of abuse with disability, particularly sexual abuse, which adds a negative dimension to disability. This is because people with disabilities are particularly vulnerable to predators of all kinds, sexual, commercial, and social. In India, most parents consider children as a gift from God. They consider them as a treasure and will do anything to get the possible care that's available. Extended family support abounds, so grandparents, close family members are happy to help with interventions. Parents of kids with disabilities are deeply appreciative of whatever care they receive.
Commenting on the aspect of accessibility, also apart from education, employment, and other facilities, one of our primary requirement is the transportation for particularly children and adults. We don't have accessible facilities for transportation in the state, which in fact creates a lot of a barrier for disabled people to come out and function independently. These are issues which have been highlighted, which are the concerns of people who are persons with disability.
Shamchari for Goa 365 in Panaji.
Mumbai City FC is eyeing for their fourth successive win as they take on former champions Chennaiyin FC. The match will be played at Bambolim Athletic Stadium on Wednesday. Here's more.
Mumbai City FC, after a 1-0 win against FC Goa, 3-0 win against the Giants East Bengal and recent victory of another 3 points against Odisha FC 2-0, the Islanders are aiming in continuing their winning campaign. On Tuesday, the head coach Sergio Libera and striker Adam Lefondre said that their focus hasn't changed yet. They are here to win and be on the top of the table. Watch.
It's very important. I think when you have a very good squad and you can use different players during the same game or different games in a short time, is a good option for me as a coach, obviously. But we need to adapt in this situation because it's not only about to play now in a short time between games. Yeah, I think it's the same situation during our full season, and we need to work about this. But I am very happy the fitness condition, my team, and I am happy till now. Our focus is in the next game. We need to go step by step, and I think it's a big mistake if we are looking only the position on the table. I think it's very important for us to prepare well the next game, and this is the most important thing for me as a coach and the team about our philosophy, our style of play. Obviously, we need to improve. We need time and very short season, very short time between games. But I am happy because I think we are improving game by game. But we need to improve a lot of things. Hopefully, this is the best final, not only the best start. We need to keep our job. We need to work very hard and believe in our squad, in our style of play, and hopefully at the end of the season, our fans they will be very happy with and proud with our job. We need to play, and our focus it's very important on the put our focus on the game. It's not. I think it's a big mistake for us to watch the table now. I think it's important. Obviously, we want to win. We are top on the table, and we are happy about this situation. But the most important thing is put the focus on how it's possible to win the next game. Not about the target where we want to be after that. We need to play game by game. And we need to see the table at the end of the season, and hopefully is the best position as possible.
We worked a little bit on that in pre-season as well. Obviously, it's not down to me who plays where and the team selection. I think we're quite lucky that we've got such a strong squad here that at any moment in time we can have me playing or Bart playing, and we can the results still come with that, and the performances as well. So, like I say, we're very lucky that we've got such a strong squad and that we can rotate or we can play together, and the results have not wavered. So, like I say, it's not down to me who plays, and but Bart's partnership is very good on and off the field. Like I say, I think we've got a really good squad. Obviously, when Jehudian played, Hernan came in and did a great job in centre midfield. So, we're very lucky to have such a good squad to cover everyone, really. And I don't see any problem with everyone knows the way we want to play. So if one player isn't playing, then they can easily stand in and do the job and do what's required of them. And I think that's where we're quite lucky, is that we've got such cover across everyone, and everyone knows the specific roles they have to play and how we want to play as well. So and they're more than adapt to do that. So I don't think any one player is more important than the other. I just think as a collective we know everything that we need to do, and that's the major strength for us is that we can all.
Squad 365 Bureau Report.
Weather is likely to be dry for next 5 days in the state. Also, minimum temperature likely to fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius on Thursday and Wednesday. Maximum temperature is likely to be around 34 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is likely to be around 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. The sky will remain partly cloudy. There are no weather warnings.
Dry weather prevailed over the state of Goa. There was a appreciable rise in the maximum temperature in the state. Maximum temperature were normal, but there was no longer change in the minimum temperature in the state and were they above normal. The highest maximum temperature of 33.37 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panachi and the lowest minimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius was recorded at Murmukau. Weather to remain dry, sky to remain partially cloudy, minimum temperature to fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature will be 34 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature will be about 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.